Hey, thedoczany here, and welcome to your very first Python tutorial. What we're going to be going over in today's tutorial is variables and numbers inside of Python. So in Python, you can actually use the shell as a calculator. You can do simple addition like 1 plus 1 using the addition sign, which will give us 2. You can do simple subtraction like 2 minus 1 using the subtraction sign, which will give us 1. You could do simple multiplication like 8 times 7 using the asterisk, which will give us 56. And you could do simple division like 9 divided by 3 using the backslash, which will give us 3. And what you're going to notice about the division solution is it gives us the answer with a decimal. And if we want to drop that decimal, we're going to want to use 2 backslashes. So we're going to use 2 backslashes. It's going to give us the answer without a decimal. But let's say we have an answer where the decimal is 5 or above, like 9 divided by 2, where the answer is 4.5. If we use 2 backslashes, the answer is not going to round it up to 5, it's just going to drop the decimal. And something else you can do with division inside Python is give us the remainder. So if we use the percent sign, so 9 divided by 2 using the percent sign, it'll give us the remainder, the division, which would be 1. And if we want to do powers inside Python, we want to use 2 asterisks. So 9 to the power of 2 would be 81. And we can also combine everything together because Python does include order of operations. So we could do 1 plus 1 minus 2 times 9 divided by 3 or something like that, which would give us negative 4.0. And we can also include parentheses. We could do something like 9 plus 8 minus 7 times 8, which would give us negative 39. And variables inside Python are basically a placeholder for something. So let's say we want the number 100 to be under the variable price. We assign variables in Python using the equal sign. So price is going to be equal to the number 100. And let's say we want to make another variable, which would be tax. We're going to equal this to 100 divided by 2 or something like that. And now we can use these variables inside equations. We can do something like price plus tax. We could do price times tax. We could do price divided by tax and stuff like that. And we can also print the price. So if we use the function print, which basically just prints off variables or strings, which we'll be going over in the next episode, if we do something like print price, it's going to give us what price is. Or we could just type in price and it'll give us what price is. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.